Hello, welcome to my channel. Long eye and short eye. Say the name of the picture in each box and circle the correct vowel sound you heard. Picture നോക്കി a word പറയുക. അത് ഷോർട്ട് ആണോ ലോങ് ആണോ എന്നുള്ളത് സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യുക. When a vowel sound like its name, it's a long vowel. If a vowel does not sound like its name, it's a short vowel. Pig, ig. It's a short eye. Gift, gift. It's a short eye. Pie, eye, long eye. Diamond, eye, it's a long eye. Ice cream, long eye. Fire, fire, long eye. Lips, short eye. Pillow, pillow, short eye.